In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a Google Analytics demo account. This demo account is a safe, read-only space provided by Google, where you can explore real sample data and practice reporting without touching any live business information. It's perfect for learning the interface, testing ideas, or showcasing reports to a team. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google homepage. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're signed into your Google account first. You'll need to be signed in to open Google Analytics and to join the demo account. If you're not signed in, look for the sign in button in the top right and log in before you continue. On the Google homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner and click the dotted icon, the small grid made of 9 dots. This opens the Google Apps launcher. If you don't see it right away, widen your browser window or ensure you're on the main Google page. The launcher may take a second to load, and you may need to scroll within the panel to see all available apps. Inside the apps launcher, find and click Google Analytics. The icon typically looks like an orange chart and is labeled Analytics. Clicking it opens Analytics in a new tab. If you have more than one Google profile, you might be asked to choose the account you want to use. You may also see a brief welcome screen or be asked to accept terms. Go ahead and continue so you land on the Analytics home area. Once Analytics is open, look for the section that mentions the demo account. You should see an option labeled Access the Account. Click that link. This will open a new tab and walk you through adding the demo account to your Analytics view. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm access. If you've already joined in the past, the link will simply take you straight into the demo property. After access is granted, you'll be inside Google Analytics viewing demo data. From here, use the left-hand navigation to explore reports like real-time, acquisition, engagement, and monetization. Remember, the demo is read-only, so you can explore and learn freely without worrying about changing settings. If you don't land on the demo immediately, double-check that you're signed in with the correct Google account, refresh the page, or use the account and property picker at the top to switch to the demo. That's it. Open Google, use the app launcher, select Google Analytics, and click Access the Account. Consider bookmarking the demo once it opens, so it's always one click away.